In the last episode of our Functional Flowers mini-series, we explained that our hydrothermal process provides a lot of different functionalities to the flowers. But how is it possible? What's happening during this process and how can we explain the functionalities given to the flowers? To better understand what goes on inside our process, we went to meet our R&D expert, Mirella Coleoni, in ARC.
Hello, I'm Mirella Coleoni. I'm the R&D manager for the snacks and breakfast cereals activity at Limagrain Ingredients and in charge of the development of functional flowers on industrial lines in our ARC factory.
Mirella, can you tell us a little bit more about our specific process for functional flowers?
Elise, like you explained before, functional flowers are produced by applying a hydrothermal process. The main phenomenon occurring on the grain during this process is a physical process known as starch gelatinization.
What's happening exactly during this starch gelatinization?
Starch is the major component of grain and is composed of two polymers, one linear called amylose and another one ramified called amylopectin. Gelatinization is a phenomenon that takes place in presence of water and at high temperature. It happens in many food processes, for example, when baking or cooking starchy products like bread or pasta. The starch changes during gelatinization. As we can see here, starch granules lose by organization and by refringence. Thus, maltase cross disappears. By water absorption, granules swell and reach maximum size. By continuing heating, starch granules are disrupted and release their molecular content. Consequently, the viscosity of a solution increases. That's what's happening during our heat treatment process.
What else is going on after the heating step?
By cooling down, another phenomenon follows up, which is called retrogradation. This involves reassociation of starch polymers with the formation of a gel.
And this brings a specific functionality to the flower?
Yes! To sum up, our innocence functional flowers are produced by this heat treatment process, which leads to a starch pre-gelatinization that brings viscosity to the flowers. And this viscosity ensures texturizing properties to the functional flowers.
Thank you, Mirella. We have a better understanding of what happens to the grain during our process. Stay tuned to learn more about how innocent flowers acquire their functional properties.